Brilliant idea, not by me. Someone wants to fly this off the frozen lake behind the house.
Looks a bit nose heavy.
Yeah, brilliant idea by this dum-dum.
Yep. But yeah, we'll see how it goes. It should be a good time either way.
Looks nose heavy to me.
I prefer that over tail.
Yeah.
I'll take it.
It's a plane.
Concur.
That looks really out of place in my driveway.
I know.
Oh, that's cool. Good? Bye.
Uh-oh, crap. Come back.
Brakes.
Yeah, no.
Okay, Winston, I think you should do a test takeoff and landing.
Boop.
Yeah, let's do a test
and then we'll do a no on the lake.
Right.
And then I'll fly.
Okay. Then you'll fly?
Then I'll no
Okay.
not your plane, my drone.
And have you thrown something out in the lake to see what it's like?
What?
There's a house.
No, just set it down. Let's find out what happens.
What's up, guys? Paul Vincent here. We're about to go test and fly in the winter. Hashtag vlog life.
I want to make sure this ice is thick enough. I don't feel like throwing a plane into the water yet.
Kira,
Oh, yeah,
get back here. You stupid. You can't go out there. Come here. Silly. Plenty.
I'm doing a low pass over the water in a second. I'm lining up. Alright, I'm bringing it in.
Oh, what a beautiful landing! The GoPro fell off.
Not bad. I didn't want to stop very much though.
It's funny to have people flying at my house. It's kind of weird, actually. Kira, leave the drone alone. Come here. Sit. Sit. Oh, we got a little one.
Okay, double doggy.
Double doggy. Double dog. Kira, no. No. Sit. we're having an awesome time just chilling around, chasing streamers, trying not to crash quads together over top of a frozen lake. I've got the Super G Plus 7-inch running 6-inch props with the Insta 360 undermounted, because then you have the best possible clearance away from the quad without going too crazy. And then we have Winston's
Sirius, the SR22 from Horizon Hobby.
and we've got 2 more Super Gs, normal 5-inch with GoPros, which is super boring. Gab.
Boring GoPros.
And another Super G.
Bam.
That is apparently a shelf princess for Mr. Jet here.
Beauty. Golden.
Got any good shots?
Yeah. Pictures and stuff. Isn't it? Where'd you find that?
We threw on some streamers on the plane, we're about to, and then we got streamers on all the quads. So this should be a streaming good time.
I was waiting in the undertow, set adrift with fed away like bows, unaware of where my heart would flow. I was waiting in the undertow. And the water feels like a friend I've not seen.
What just happened, Jordan?
I don't have time for your bullshit, Paul.
Hey, got it. Take off. Oh, you went down and into it.
Uh-oh. Oh, come on.
You're good.
Oh my gosh.
Go.
Not the plane.
Oh, that was close. Hey, little guy, you're a little wet, huh? Oh, yeah, it's soaked. That is so lucky that it
That is
rebooted.
so lucky.
That's so lucky.
Oh,
It rebooted like 3 times.
okay, let's go.
Okay, now that we're done flying, we're going over to Indianapolis's The Box media space. It's run by my friend Derek Tao. Winston and I actually shot a little tiny video for the Fat Shark 101 back in the day. Jordan is scooping off in the back.
What? How can you tell?
They're bringing in a bunch of local artists and stuff to kind of present their stuff. Now, I'm not really a local artist, I guess. Maybe I am, I don't know. That's something for me to figure out later. But Derek, the owner, wanted me to show off at least one of my videos. He wanted Flight of the Year 2017 with the trains and stuff, but I wanted to show off Envelopment, which is the video that just won the AirViews Drone Video Awards and is very, I put a lot more effort into it and some planning and some thought, and I'd much rather show that off and talk about it and talk about why I'm excited about it than Flight of the Year. So that's what's gonna happen. But so Jet and Gab are still here in town hanging out, and Gab is gonna help me fly some city whoops. Jet's gonna grab some pictures. Winston is gonna hopefully take some video and stuff, and we'll just kind of show you around what this unique opportunity to kind of show off drones and performance drones will look like. So I'm excited. Let's go.
Always.
Welcome to the box.
Our next artist is NURK, FPV, which stands for Freaking Production Video. Something like that. He'll tell you all about it. And here he is, NURK, Paul Nurkla. Thanks, bro.
So FPV doesn't stand for Freaking Production Video, it stands for First Person View, and I am a professional drone racer. So I use little goggles like these and radios and home-built racing drones like this to create video that no one's ever seen before from a really unique, interesting perspective. 3 years ago, I quit my job as a software engineer to learn how to fly drones just like this. And that's taken me around the world. I've had a chance to fly in Saudi Arabia, China, United States, all over. And through the whole process of learning how to fly these drones, I've had to figure out ways to pay the bills, right? Because being a professional drone racer doesn't come with a ton of opportunities, but it does have the power to explore the world in a way that's unique. Thank you very much. My friend Gab707 is flying this. This is called a tiny one. It's a little micro drone. It's just like this one, which is a little bit bigger. It carries this is a GoPro Hero 7. You can see drones that carry like Phantoms or DJIs and all the way down to this little size. So recently I had a chance to fly at the City Museum of St. Louis. It's this beautiful, it's essentially a giant art sculpture that you have the ability to walk inside of and experience firsthand. The curator of the museum, who's a guy called Bob Cassilly, describes it as, he describes that he's jealous of music because music surrounds you, it envelops you, it makes you feel differently about life and what's going on around you. And in the same way, it's hard to experience something like that from looking at a 2D picture. So what I wanted to do with a little drone like this was to give you that experience, that feeling of being there at the City Museum. And so the video that I brought to show you, that's part of my, what I do for a living, is called Envelopment. So Bob Cassilly passed away probably about 10 or so years ago, and the City Museum has stood as a testament to his passion for bringing people in and letting them experience art from this different perspective. And in the same way, I think drones give us the opportunity to kind of look at the world in a unique perspective. And I know that we've all played with a drone, we've seen drones in the news, and I'm very excited about their ability to take us to that new level, to take us to a new perspective. So thanks very much for checking out Envelopment, and I hope you guys have an awesome rest of the night.
That's the first time I've seen that. That is outstanding.